How to make Google form public but not editable. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will learn how we can make Google form public but not editable. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Google form. After that, open up the form that you want to make it public but not editable. So once you're on the form, head towards the settings tab by clicking on the settings option at the top of this interface. Once you land on settings, head towards the responses, click on this drop down and it will expand. Under responses, there you will find one option as allow response editing. You have to turn off this toggle in order to turn off the editing. So once you have turned off this option, now you can make your form published, and now your form is published but not editable. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.